Coming up, I forget how to brake. We fly over Silverstone, the home of Formula 1.
There's aircraft there, look.
Oh, yeah.
And I have to abort a landing due to traffic. But did I do the right thing?
Traffic.
Oxford Tower, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra. Still no details, stand by.
Welcome back to the Flight Vlog. My name's Adam and I hope you enjoy this short trip to Turwestern today. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please do and leave me a comment. Today we're heading out of Oxford on runway 19, heading a long way around the home of Formula 1, Silverstone. We're just waiting for our start clearance, as there's been a bit of a problem, but then we'll be on our way. It's a short flight, so please sit back, grab a drink and enjoy the flight.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, have your details now, start approved.
Start approved, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Clear prop.
Oxford Tower, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, flight message.
We have information, Mike 1015, ready for taxi.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, taxi, holding point Charlie 419 via taxiway Bravo.
Taxi Charlie 19, Grass Taxiway Bravo.
Well, it's a hot one today.
Golf Delta Golf, at holding point Charlie, ready for departure. Golf Delta Golf, hold position. Hold position, Golf Delta Golf.
So I'm not sure what happened here, but for a few minutes I completely forgot how to brake when I was turning into the wind to do my checks. Very embarrassing, but no one was hurt, so all good.
Golf Alpha Sierra, holding at Charlie, ready for departure.
Golf Alpha Sierra, squawk 4520, climb initially not above altitude 2000 feet.
4520 and not climb above 2000 feet, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Alpha Sierra, runway 19 clear for takeoff, wind 090 degrees, 9 knots. Traffic joining downwind right hand from the south is a T67 Slingsby.
Cleared to take off, copy the traffic, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Delta Golf, contact radar 125.
I can give you that as well, that'd be great.
To radar 125.090. Golf Delta Golf.
So nothing coming in that we can see.
Oh, I am looking.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, good to go.
Let's go. Okay, full power. Airspeed's alive.
Hotel Oscar November Golf, downwind runway 19.
60 knots.
Golf November Golf, report final, number 1. Wilco Golf November
rotate.
Golf.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah.
Golf Alpha Sierra, remain outside the bright zone.
Okay, 10 to the right, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Hotel Oscar November Golf, final runway 19. Golf November Golf, runway 19, clear to land, surface wind 100 degrees, 09 knots.
That's Millennium Palace, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it.
Golf Alpha Sierra, contact Oxford radar 125.090.
Oxford radar, Golf Alpha Sierra. Oxford radar, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, Oxford radar, basic service, no level restrictions.
Basic service, go Golf Mike Alpha Sierra.
You see it? So we're just going over Enstone now.
Right. One of the Formula 1 teams is at Enstone.
That's it, yeah.
that still used as an airfield? Or?
Yeah, that's where we're moving to.
Oh, that's where you're moving
Yeah.
to? The Oxford thing is only temporary?
Yeah.
Right.
Right, let's get rid of Oxford.
Golf Alpha Sierra, request frequency change to London 124.16600.
Golf Alpha Sierra, Roger, score cost security and free call London.
Squad 7000, free call London, Golf Alpha Sierra. Send an information, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra on information, pass message.
Good afternoon, we're PA28 en route from Oxford to Turwestern, currently 2,100 feet on 1015, request basic service.
Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra, Roger, squad 1177, mode Charlie, it's a basic service.
1177, basic service, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Golf Whiskey Yankee, Roger, Osborne QNH 1010. 1010, Golf Whiskey Yankee.
There's ProDrive then. God, it's a pretty good view today, isn't it?
Very good.
Alright, we're heading directly towards Silverstone. We're going to be there in a couple of minutes, I think. It's going to change fuel tanks.
Sure, 1 London.
Almost perfect day for it. Just a bit hazy. It's always like this when it's this hot though, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. So I think I can make out the Silverstone now. I think it's just on the right, isn't it, in the distance?
Yes, that's
So the airfield is super close to Silverstone.
that's the sort of stand complex.
Yeah.
Welcome to Silverstone. I'm a huge F1 fan and I've been here a few times as a fan, but I've never flown over, so doing this is something quite special.
Yeah, that sort of funny shaped roof on that inner corner there,
Yeah, yeah.
that's the BRDC.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Looks tiny from up here.
I know, it is. Don't get that impression, do you, on the ground?
It's like a kid's plaything.
Yeah. Oh, I'm just going to get rid of London.
Send an information, Golf Alpha Sierra, like to free call to Western Radio 122180.
Golf Alpha Sierra, Roger, squad 7000, goodbye.
7000, thank you for service, sir. To Western Radio, Golf Mike, Kilo Alpha Sierra.
Golf Mike Kilo Alpha Sierra joining for runway 09, left hand circuit, the QFE is 1001.
09 left hand and 1001, Golf Alpha Sierra.
Roger.
The airfield's just a few minutes away from Silverstone, so I joined dead side and turned downwind.
Right, just got to keep a lookout for people who are similar height.
Yeah, there's a plane there.
Where?
Just
oh
taking
yeah,
off
just taking
going
off
over
yeah.
those trees.
Yeah, that's good.
Microwise, I think.
Yeah, we'll keep an eye on him.
Golf Alpha Sierra, turning downwind, 09 left.
Okie dokie. It's a bit of a funny circuit, you have to sort of avoid this village here, so
Right.
get a bit further out. Before this one as well. Can't see any traffic ahead of us.
Oh, nothing. I can see this side.
No. Okay, pull the power back.
Western Radio, Golf Alpha Sierra, space 09 left.
Golf Romeo Kilo, downwind for landing.
Oh, okay. There's aircraft there. Look.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Is he coming into here?
Yeah.
Golf Alpha Sierra climbing, just spotted the one on a slightly longer final. Golf Alpha Sierra.
Roger, he's touch and go.
Golf Kilo X-ray.
Well spotted, Bob.
Roger, 120 degrees, 7 knots.
Thankfully, Bob spots an aircraft from final. I bought the landing, but I'm not actually sure, was this the correct procedure? As you can see, I was on base. This has not happened to me before, so full power, climb back up to circuit height, and I join back on the dead side, which I had done previously, and turn back downwind. It felt like the best decision, but was that the right decision? I'm not too sure. Would you have done anything different? Please let me know in the comments below.
Alright, same again then, so if you keep an eye out for anyone else in the circuit. Okay. He's doing a touch and go below us, so you'll probably see him come up. Yeah.
Roger, Golf Romeo November.
Golf Alpha Sierra's turn final, 09 left.
Golf Romeo November, take off runway 09.
So someone's on the runway taking off now. Okay, that's better. A bit calmer.
I can see him moving down the runway.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, feeling good. Slow us down a little bit.
It's an horrible bit when they talk about traffic and you can't see.
Yeah, it's a beauty of Oxford because we're on radar where we went at Wellsbourne.
Lots of solar panels down there.
There is a few, isn't there? A lot of power.
After landing, vacate right at an intersection, return via the grass taxiway, please.
Fokker Alpha Sierra.
And Romeo Kilo FYI, there is space by the club.
Roger, thanks.
Golf Kilo X-ray, final to Aborted.
Pretty good.
X-ray, Roger, there is one on to vacate right onto the grass, and nothing else known to affect, and the surface wind is easterly 10 knots.
Traffic inside Golf Kilo X-ray.
Behind.
Golf Alpha Sierra vacated.
Welcome to Turwestern. This brand new building's fantastic. We enjoyed a lovely sandwich, very British I know, overlooking the runway. But yeah, I'll definitely be coming back here for a barbecue soon. Thank you for watching this video. If you've got this far, please hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, and there'll be another video coming very soon.